In this video, I will show you how to delete your Shopify store. To do this, go and open up Shopify and in the bottom left, click on Settings. And from here, go to the second section, which is Plan. And what you'll need to do from here is either click on Cancel Trial if you're still in the trial. Otherwise, it will say something like Cancel Plan or Subscription. Then they will show this right here. So click I have reviewed the information above if you have, and then continue. Then you ask what is the main reason you are closing this store. So just select whatever you want and continue. Then from here it will say your store will close and access to your data will be lost, but it will be available if you resubscribe. So then just click cancel trial or subscription, and then you will have closed your store and cancelled your Shopify plan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.